Every industrial leader faces the same question. How do we improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and stay competitive? The answer lies in the next generation of smart manufacturing technologies. At Stardust Insights, we specialize in tracking the most promising Industry 4.0 startups. This video highlights 10 companies that are solving the biggest challenges in manufacturing today, from AI-driven quality control to self-optimizing production lines. Let's start with robotics. Most factory robots are built for just one task. If you need to change its job, you either buy a new one or spend days reprogramming it. That's slow and expensive. German startup Robco has a better idea. Modular robots. Instead of fixed designs, Robco's robots come with interchangeable parts. Need a two-arm system today and a palletizer tomorrow? Just swap the modules. What's even better? They train themselves. A built-in AI-powered system scans the production floor and suggests the best robot setup. No specialized coding required. Factories rely on human inspectors and basic cameras to check products. But humans get tired. Cameras miss details. Now imagine a system that never blinks, never gets tired, and keeps learning. That's VisionPlatform.ai. It uses AI-powered cameras to detect flaws in real time. From tiny cracks in phone screens to misaligned car parts, this system spots defects before they cause costly recalls. Even better, it learns over time. The more data it analyzes, the smarter it gets. Now let's move from quality control to another major issue in factories: safety. Right now, most robots in factories work behind fences. Why? Because they're too dangerous to be around humans. But what if robots could sense people nearby and move safely without barriers? That's exactly what Mantis Robotics is doing. Their robots use advanced tactile sensors to detect touch, pressure, and proximity. If a human gets too close, the robot slows down or stops immediately. This means factories can have more automation in smaller spaces without worrying about safety risks. With safety reimagined, let's explore a company that's making it possible to test factories before they're even built. Before factories change production lines, they need to be sure the new setup works. However, testing on real machines is risky and expensive. That's where i4 Twins comes in. It creates digital twins, virtual models of real factories. These models allow engineers to simulate changes, test new layouts, and predict performance before making a single physical change. From virtual factories, let's switch gears to a startup that's solving one of the biggest logistical headaches: inventory management. Factories run on materials. If supplies run out, production stops. There's too much inventory, space is wasted. Indian startup DFXBot solves this with smart IoT sensors. These sensors track materials in real time and automatically update stock levels. But here's what makes it different. It predicts shortages before they happen. The system analyzes usage patterns and sends alerts before supplies run low. Speaking of efficiency, let's talk about a company that's making factory inspections safer and smarter. Some industrial jobs are too dangerous for humans. Mines, nuclear plants, and hazardous factories need safer ways to inspect equipment and transport materials. Owenride has built an autonomous six-wheeled robot designed for the toughest conditions. It uses AI and advanced sensors to navigate rough terrain, detect problems, and report back in real time. Think of it as an industrial rover, like the ones NASA sends to Mars, but built for factories on Earth. Next, let's explore how factories are solving another challenge: integrating different machines into a single system. German startup Zentara is creating a universal control platform that connects machines, sensors, and software into one system. This means factories can digitally integrate all their equipment, even old machines, without replacing everything. With all machines speaking the same language, let's move on to software that works on any hardware. Most industrial automation is tied to specific hardware brands. That locks companies into expensive long-term commitments. Norwegian startup OT is breaking that pattern. Their virtual automation system can run on any hardware. The platform is built on open architectures, standards, and open-source principles for real-time control. This allows companies to upgrade their automation software without replacing machines. It also enables remote monitoring and predictive maintenance. Now that software is becoming more adaptable, let's see how automation is keeping production lines moving at full speed. Production slowdowns can be costly. One jammed machine can throw an entire factory off schedule. SIA's Astuta system fixes this. It's a smart accumulation table that adjusts product flow automatically, keeping operations running smoothly. It enhances part quality, optimizes resource use, extends production hours, and promotes environmental awareness. The result? Higher efficiency, reduced downtime, and optimized production speeds. Could intelligent production line management become a standard in every factory? US-based startup Vivity AI is changing that. It uses machine learning to predict failures before they happen. By analyzing sensor data, vibration patterns, and past breakdowns, the platform monitors and prevents unsafe events, digitizes processes, analyzes quality issues, and optimizes key metrics. For instance, Vivity Analytics predicts processes such as heat treatment, curving, and welding to facilitate quality control. It also identifies and observes industry-specific objects such as blocks and heavy products. This enables efficient semantic search and accurate progress analysis. The best decisions come from having the right information at the right time. You've just seen 10 startups leading the way in Industry 4.0, but they're just the tip of the iceberg. Our AI-driven discovery platform continuously tracks over 2,600 industrial startups, providing deep insights into emerging technologies, funding trends, and market disruptions. Want to explore the full landscape? Request a free sample of our database and see what's ahead for smart manufacturing.